Hello friends, welcome back to Industrial Learning and today in this session basically I am going to talk about the concept of shearing operations. So friends, as I have already committed that our next sections and also will be on press tool design. So before that you must know all these basic things that are the part of a press tool design. So until you don't understand the concept or the function how a press tool work, till that it will be very difficult to design a press tool. So our next few sessions will be on the basic idea of a press tool, basic concept of a press tool, and later on we will design this on the software like NX and SolidWorks. Okay, so let us understand the concept of shearing operations in this session. So, if I talk about a sheet metal cutting operation, then in this process, basically we need two cutting edges that should act against each other. And to fulfill this requirement, basically we use one punch and one die plate, and in between we place that strip or metal sheets on which the pressure has to be applied by the punch, and the deformation takes place at the place where the clearance has been provided. So this is the concept how the shearing takes place. So if we talk about this in detail, then basically we can categorize this in further four stages, like how first this the radius has been formed, and next how the force or pressure has to be applied beyond the elasticity, then what happens, and finally when this portion get breaks. So this you can say here that finally this get breaks or fractured. So all these four steps we will discuss here step by step. So basically in first step, this radius formation started, means we implement the pressure, it's below its elastic limits, means when the radius formation started, if we take the punch back or we will retract the punch, then the radius of the formed radius will regain its flat shape again. Got it? So this is the first step. If means so this is the first step where the penetration starts and radius formation can be observed. And next step, if I talk, then here we implement the force beyond its elastic limit of the sheet metals. So once we implement the pressures or force beyond the elastic limit, then deformation starts. Means here the penetration has been completed. Means whatever radius has been formed here, that is permanent. Means if we will get this punch back from here, then the radius will not acquire its original shape or it will not get flat again. So this was the step 2, and if we go forward, then that is step 3. And here if we continue to apply pressure beyond its elastic limit, then the portion where we have added the clearance, at that place the sheet metal will start fracture. Means that portion that was deformed, or the radius where permanent radius that was formed in previous step, that will get start that will start breakage here, or we can say that that will start fracture here, and so on. In last step, if we continue further to implement the force, then that will get permanent fracture and it will get separated from the sheet strip. So this was the concept of a shearing operations, and that's all for today. So our next session will be on the elements of a press tool, means what elements are there along with this die and punch. So we will see that in next session. So that's all for today. And if you liked the video or session, then don't forget to hit like button and don't forget to subscribe too. That's all. Thank you.